Strings. Strings in JavaScript are sequences of Unicode characters. They should be welcome news to anyone who has had to deal with internationalization. More accurately, they are UTF-16 encoded. So here we have an example of cancel.log, and we have here a hello world and quotation marks, so this is a string. So if we go to another tab and just type in or press Ctrl Shift plus I, we're gonna open our Chrome developer tool. So just gonna grab this one here and just gonna copy and paste it. Okay, so yeah, we have the hello world. I can do the same with the next string, and yeah, undefined. So here, nearly all Unicode characters can be written literally in string literals. Strings can be written with either single or double quotes. So as you can see here, I'm putting, for example, like double quotes, but I can also do like a single quotes here. Let me see, like that, and then press enter, and the same thing. So JavaScript does not have the distinction between characters and strings. If you want to represent them, if you want to represent a single character, you just use a string consisting of that single character. For example, you have the cancel.log, and we have the string here, hello, open brackets 1, and then we have the 3 equal sign, that means it's equal. So we have the cancel.log, hello, open brackets 1 is equal to this string e, so that would be true. We can copy it, for example, we can go here and paste it, and it's gonna come, that's true. So to find the length of a string in code units, access its length property. Strings have utility methods to manipulate the string and access information about the string. Because all primitives are immutable by design, these methods return new strings. The unary plus operator is overloaded for strings. When one of the operands is a string, it performs a string concatenation instead of number addition. A special template literal syntax allows you to write strings with embedded expressions more succinctly. Unlike Python's F strings or C#'s interpolated strings, template literals use backticks, not single or double quotes. So here you have, for example, const age is assigned at 25. So cancel.log, I have this string im plus, this is called concatenation, plus age plus another string years old. So here we have string concatenation, but in the template literal we use backtick. So we have cancel.log im, and then we have the $sign, open curly braces, and then we put in here our value, we go close curly braces, then years old, we close the backticks, and that is called a template literal when you use backticks and the $sign with the curly braces. We have here other types. JavaScript distinguishes between null, which indicates a deliberate non-value and is only accessible through the null keyword, and undefined, which indicates absence of value. There are many ways to obtain undefined. So we have a return statement with no value, return semicolon, implicitly returns undefined. We have accessing a non-existing object property, object that I don't exist, returns undefined. We also have a variable declaration without initialization. For example, let x, and then we end up with a semicolon, will implicitly initialize the variable to undefined. JavaScript has a Boolean type with passable values true and false. both of which are keywords. Any value can be converted to Boolean according to the following rules. 1. False, 0, empty string. In parentheses, we have the double quotes, we have the none, we have the null, and undefined, all become false. The second one, all other values become true. You can perform this conversion explicitly using the Boolean function. Then we have, for example, if I grab this one, it's going to be a Boolean. It's going to be Boolean open parentheses, and then we put double quotes, we close parentheses, and it's going to give us a value of false. Now if I put, for example, a number inside, I don't know, it can be another, it's going to be true because it has a number inside. However, this is rarely necessary, as JavaScript will silently perform this conversion when it expects a Boolean, such as in if statement. See control structures, so you can check out this link for control structures. For this reason, we sometimes speak of truthy and falsy, meaning values that become true and false respectively when used in Boolean context. Boolean operations such as the double ampersand, here called the logical AND, we have the double vertical var, that is called the logical OR, and the exclamation mark, the logical NOT, are supported. See operators, so you have a link for the operators. The symbol type is often used to create unique identifiers. Every symbol created with the symbol parentheses function is guaranteed to be unique. In addition, there are register symbols, which are shared constants, and well-known symbols, which are utilized by the language as protocols for certain operations. You can read more about them in the symbol reference.